Comparison of Galaxy A14, Galaxy A13 and Galaxy A33. Now we will talk about display. Display type. Display size. Refresh rate. Resolution. Screen to body ratio. Display PPI density. Screen protection. Now we will talk about build quality. Height. Width. Thickness. Weight. Water resistant. Camera specifications. Rear camera Galaxy A14. Rear camera Galaxy A13. Rear camera Galaxy A33. Front camera. Performance. Chipset. Processor. Graphic unit. Operating system. Storage. RAM memory. Internal memory. Battery. Capacity. Fast charging. Sensors. Connectivity. Network. NFC. Port type. Headphone jack. Price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.